Dad, let me get you a picture by the ocean. And then smoking his stinky old cigarette.
Come on home, girl, he said with a smile. You don't have to love me yet, let's get high a while.
The South Fork and the North Fork. This is the North Fork. And if we were to turn right, we would go up into Fort Pierce and White City and up into the headwaters, which are listed up here. You can see that they have a hood over their head, like a gray hood, no feathers on it. So that while they're eating, they can not get a lot of bacteria. Let's see up that way. But ahead of us, there's a lot there that is owned by the county of St. Lucie. About 12 foot high, and then filled all this in with this fill, and then let it settle for about a year, and then built that really nice house on it. So it had to be less than that. Just the boulevard, and started dividing it into lots and selling the lots, and we're squirt you with water. But this is the natural waterway
I saw something pop up.
that they use to kind of convert it into a.
Hang on, Scott.
What's wrong with this one?
There's always a camera like that. There it goes.
Try to understand. Try to understand. I'm a magic man.
Feeding time.